Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable BIOS backflash on LENOVO V15. First of all, you're gonna have to power off your device completely. Then to turn it on, shortly press the power button and then repeatedly press the F2 key on your keyboard before the laptop even starts booting up. And in a couple of seconds you're gonna see the BIOS menu on your screen. To navigate here, use left and right arrow keys to change tabs. To navigate between options, use the top and bottom arrow keys, and to select the value, press enter. This way, navigate to configuration tab and then scroll down to BIOS backflash option. To enable it, press enter and top arrow button and enter, and this way you will enable the BIOS backflash. To disable it, select disabled, and that's basically it. To apply values, press F10 and enter. After that you will exit this menu. To restore default values, press F9 and enter, and to exit without applying changes, press escape. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.